We a linear transformation defined from V to W, and dimension of V equals to M and dimension of W equals to N, and condition on M and N are M is less than N, strictly less than N. Then we have to ask about 1 and onto of linear transformation T, and T can be 0 in option C. So to check 1 and onto, first we have to write matrix representation of this linear transformation. If anyhow I can write matrix representation of this linear transformation, then size of the matrix representation will be n by m. If we want to make this matrix or this linear transformation onto, then we have to make pivot position in all rows, means in all n rows. But n is strictly less than m. Sorry, m is strictly less than n, and rank never be greater than number rank never be greater than either number of columns or number of rows. It means rank never be exceed than m. But we want to make n pivot position, that's why we cannot seek n pivot position in this matrix representation. That's why this linear transformation cannot be onto. It means we will have some free variable. For that, I can write Tx equals to b, and this equation have many solution because of free variable. So T cannot be surjective, option A, and option D discard. And because of dimension of V is m and dimension of W is n, dimension of domain is less than dimension of codomain, it means T can be injective. Option B, remember this, can, it may be injective but not surely. And T equals to 0, is it possible or not? If you define Tx equals to x square comma x square, then T0 is only sending to this point at 0 0, but other points is not 0 0. It means Tx cannot be 0 for all for x not equals to 0. It means T cannot be 0 transformation. Option B is correct.